Do you like versatility and protection? Well, that's why 99% of people need or want to create a good, solid camera rig. It not only gives your camera rig great versatility on set, but adds an extra layer of butter. No, but adds an extra layer of physical protection for set or during transport. And in this video, we're gonna show you our go-to camera rig, as well as a couple other setups that might be useful when you're out on the job, or set, or making a short film, or a commercial, really anything. Maybe it's a YouTube video, who knows? Hello again, YouTube. My name is Matt, and welcome to Viva Media. If you want to see more videos pertaining to video production, camera gear, and anything in between, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've seen our other previous video, we just did an unboxing of the SmallRig full camera cage and a couple of their accessories. So let's put this sucker together. So let's start with the first run and gun build, the one that basically gets built out for every job we ever go on. So first step is to install our 6K Pro into this camera cage. We have our 6K Pro mounted in our cage. One of the foundations that we're gonna use is this mounting plate. This is gonna serve as the base for everything. I don't know how long these rods are, but they're not the longest. They're also not the shortest. So we now have the base, the foundation of our little setup. And we can go ahead and slide that in. That's looking pretty gnarly in a good way. I'm gonna put on this little RE rosette. We're just gonna use it and attach handles to it. Do we have another lens? Oh, perfect. Wow, here's a 24-70. Thanks, anonymous hand. Cool. Handle-wise, I could either go with something like this, which is like a contoured handle that feels really, really great. Or I could go with something that's a little more traditional, like a handle like this. But I think that's pretty dang good. It's nicely balanced. It's got some good movement to it. We're gonna put on a NATO rail on top of this. Let's go ahead and put that on and fasten it down. I put it on backwards, so we're gonna try that again. So this is very, very, very run and gunny, very guerrilla, but it provides you with that stability and that contact that is nice. The next setup that I want to show you is something that's a little bit more built out. Let's build out rig number 2 a little more. And we have this thing which is an RE locating pin tilt and swivel monitor mount. We've got this little rig built out. It's now covering my face, it's so big. You're welcome. This one could be running false color for your exposure. This one could be running a totally clean feed so you can just focus on your composition. Now, we're also gonna add a matte box because if we're shooting outside with this and we've got sunhead, it's probably pretty sunny out there. So this just goes on like so. Oh my God, that's great. That's amazing. Look at that. So this would be great for shooting outside for a long extended day, single camera operator where you have to kind of manage your color, manage your composition, pull your own focus, all of that fun stuff. I think this setup is great. We can kind of have our 2 points of contact. We have our monitor that tilts and swivels on demand as we need it, right? And things just look excellent. This looks excellent. I love the way this looks. Setup number 3. Let's freaking do this thing. We're looking to get 2 people operating this camera. So we need to get a little funkier yet. We're gonna add these little extension rods. So we're gonna screw these in like so, just thusly. First and foremost, we now, because this is going to be mounted on our shoulder and be offset, we need to be able to view our monitor in front of us. Now this is a 15mm rod adapter. Boom, just like that. This can be tilted, this can be swiveled, all using SmallRig pods. We're gonna add 2 dog bone extension arms. So just like that, we have now extended the arms. And we're going to install our handles down here, just like so. And they will live directly under the good old matte box. This thing's getting big, this thing's getting heavy. But good thing we're mounting it on our shoulder. So now you'll see we have a point of contact on the back. We now have, our arms are supporting a vast majority of the weight here. And we also have a monitor directly in front of us, which I would adjust. Look at that. I've got a nice monitor directly in front of me. I don't have to go like this and look at the back monitor. It's right in front of me where I need it so I can focus on composition. I have contact here, I have contact on this, I have contact on my shoulder. And if I really wanted to run this as a run and gun, one-man rig, I could sit here and also pull focus. There's the shoulder rig setup. Now, you'll need to find cages and accessories that are designed to fit your specific camera. But SmallRig generally carries cages and systems for the vast majority of cameras out there. But regardless of which camera or camera brand you have, most rig accessories are generally the same with the same capabilities and mounting screws. And there you have it. That is camera rigging at its finest. We love SmallRig, and they have a wide variety of cages and accessories for all camera brands. We do highly recommend you check them out. You will not be disappointed. As always, thank you for watching. My name is Matt. We are Viva Media, and we'll catch you in the next video. I'm gonna go rig out with this rig in my swivelly chair, because I'm in a swivelly chair. Swivelly!